everybody, and welcome to Nick C here, Events and Places Show, a highlights edition here, which does follow shortly as I put the show advert on now here on the screen, so you can see it live and exclusive here to your very eyes. Now, of course, Events and Places Show live follows very shortly, with myself, Nick C, hosting some great tunes, improvised, which is the word that I use here, of my original named tune of Piano Love, which I've composed myself. I call it composition, of course, improvised kind of music with alongside some beats and rhythms, that kind of thing. But yeah, it still counts as composition. So of course, I'm going to put the beat alongside myself here, and hopefully you can still hear me, by the way. And of course, yeah, I'm going to shout as loud as I can because, of course, yes, the beat is already rolling in the background. So, of course, let's get the camera back to the 4K one, which I'm waving to now. And there's another one here, which I can also show you here. I did originally have it on the other side here, which is over somewhere here. But, of course, I thought I'd give you a better background here. So, ladies and gentlemen, yeah, sorry about, of course, the picture, which is going a bit funny at the moment. So, yeah, I do apologise about that. That should be going back to normal now. Anyway, of course, let's proceed with some music here, alongside some beats, which is the beat that you're hearing now, which is 60s beat, basically. And, of course, yeah, I'll be playing some tunes after that. So I will follow up with some tunes that are spiritual and definitely out of copyright. So some tunes that you will recognise in that song, but it won't be in the first song, it'll be in the second song, and some tunes that you may not recognise, and some you'll get to know as well. So please relax and enjoy, and we go back. I'm just getting used to the camera angles here. So giving you a wave here, absolutely brilliant. So let's proceed. So, ladies and gentlemen, of course, my all-weather friend, that is just about it for this demo clip of course, yes, the keyboard Yamaha PSR E203. Remember where you saw and heard any of the instruments that you heard? Well, of course, I was just demoing the main strings to begin with. I might do other kind of instruments and sounds a little bit later on, but of course, yes, Giuliani might have demoed some other sounds as well, but we're going to leave that racing thing in mind. Thank you so much for watching, and of course, if you're seeing this on the screen right now, this is of course the end of the, I would say, the show for now. But don't forget, of course, to hit the thumbs up, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, of touring with us. From myself at Nick C, have yourself a lovely time wherever you may be. And of course, we will leave you with a great little made up composition without any beats or rhythms, just purely magical and made up, improvised by Nick C. Well, of course, you can call it Teddy J or Nick the Producer, whatever you like to call it, because that's what I'm known under by those names, especially in 2023. So from Tuesday, my time, of course, or date, 15th of August 2023, 22 minutes past 8, 2022 in 24-hour clock mode, we'll say goodbye, and God bless you all. Stay safe, and we'll catch up with you soon.